my name's Aurora and today we're going to cook gnocchi alla romana. Today we're going to need 700 grams of milk, 200 grams of semolina, a yolk, 100 grams of hard cheese grated up, 70 grams of butter, some nutmeg, and some salt. For the first step, we're going to take a plain pan and a mixing spoon. We're going to take our 700 grams of milk and one at a time, we're going to pour it inside our pan. I have one more left. We're going to go and heat this up. Remember not to boil it, because if you don't boil this, or it's going to go completely wrong. You're going to heat it up so the milk it doesn't boil, but it heats up a bit more. Now that my milk is all cooked up, we're going to take the salt and I'm going to pour some in. And then we're going to take our 200 grams of semolina. I'm going to spread that all out. You have to keep mixing continuously with energy, and then you're going to put it back on the heater, still continuously mixing with energy for 7 to 8 minutes on the heater. As you can see, now all my components are ready. What we're going to do, we're going to take our yolk, I'm going to pour it all in. And we're going to remix. We're going to take 3/4 of this cheese and put it in. Then we're going to take our butter and put 50 grams of it. And finally, I'm going to take our nutmeg. I'm going to put a small amount. Then we're going to mix the whole thing all together. This might be a hard process. As you can see, I'm a bit struggling to mix. It's not easy, but I think you can all do it as I can. After that, you'll mix it very well. Okay, you're going to put it back on the heater for 2 to 3 minutes to heat it back up. Now that my components are all mixed up and ready, and as well as you see, I have a square of grease-proof paper on here. Spoon by spoon, I'm going to take like this. I'm going to put it all down. As you see, everything's here ready. I'm going to go and wet my hands up so then I can mix it without getting my hands sticky. My hands are wet. What I'm going to do, I'm going to compress it like this. We need to do this process because it's very important, because after we're going to use the cookie cutters, like you see over here, to shape them up. Oh, but by the way, the height has to be 1 centimeter thick. This may break if it's cold, but mine's still hot, so it won't break up too much. Like this. Now my sister will be taking a cookie cutter that she prefers out of these two, and is going to make some cookie cutting shapes out of my gnocchi. You're going to make them very thinly together, but not that they touch, because then after we're going to take all the components that is left and we're going to mix it back up. You may rewash your hands if you feel it's a bit more sticky. If you need to take it off, you're going to take a spatula, and what you're going to do is you're going to take them and put them in a tray to then cook them. Now, as you can see, all my lovely gnocchi are in the tray. I'm going to take the spare cheese and I'm going to spread it. You don't have to put it everywhere. For example, I may leave these 4 blank. Maybe even 5 if I wanted to. Just put them cheese everywhere. This is because it just goes really delicious, and I think you guys should put some cheese. If you don't like cheese, you don't have to put it at all. You don't really have to. This is just a suggestion. Now I'm going to take the butter and I'm going to just put some everywhere with my hands. You may break the butter if you want to, because I can't put something on this big. Then we're going to put it 15 minutes in the oven, 180 degrees. See you then. You also know when they're ready, when there's the crust on top of the cheese. Thank you for watching this episode. See you another time. Enjoy your meal.